Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed that little funny intro there with the music. I'm just going ahead and prime the lids using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This concealer blocks out all the enemy, all the evil, all the bad guys. So this one is in the shade Tan Sand. Going in with my Tartelette palette, taking one of the lightest shades in that palette to set that concealer so that it doesn't move around and so that your transition color will blend effortlessly and no sticking and dragging. Going in with my Saharan palette from Juvia's Place, taking that brown color, I can't remember what it is, as my transition color, and I'm sloppily putting it all over the transition area and the lids. Going in with my Tartelette palette again, taking that nice brownish color and just deepening up that transition color again. So pretty much the same thing we just did, we're just deepening up that transition area. Here I'm going in with my first blue color. This is actually a LA Girl gel pencil, I believe. I just like pretty much cut off the tip of the pencil and I put some Inglot, what is it called? Inglot Duraline, and I mixed it in and voila, I got a gel liner. So I'm just putting that down on the first half of the lid and bringing it down into the tear duct area and a little bit on the lower lash line area as well. Now going in with the deeper blue, this is actually a Lancome pencil, and pretty much I did the same thing that I did with the LA Girl liner. And the reason why I used these two liners is because they're dry down pretty bulletproof. I don't know what the shade of this pencil from Lancome is, but everything will be listed down below my description box. So go ahead and check there for the exact shade and so on. Now going in with the shade Coconut shadow from ColourPop. I love this color, and I'm going over the deep blue part of the liner just to pretty much set it, just in case, you never know. This is actually not as close color to the liner, but it's pretty close-ish. But yeah, so I'm just going over the back half of that liner with the Coconut shadow from ColourPop. Now going in with the Huda Beauty palette, taking that light blue color in the palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the first half of the liner with that shadow. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on and my foundation, and I will be right back. Now the lashes that I put on is from Socialize, and this is the style I woke up like this. I opt for this style because not only because I love it so much, but because it's very thin and you can see the liner. I actually went in with a different lashes from the beginning, but it was too thick and too dramatic and you couldn't see the liner, which makes no sense. So basically on the lower lash line, I'm just running the two transition colors on the lower lash line, and that's pretty much it. And here on the brow bone, I'm just putting some of my Bobbi Brown highlighter. I'm not sure the shade. Like I said, check below. Everything will be listed below. But I'm just putting that on the brow bone to give it a nice pop and lift at the same time. And here's the L'Oreal mascara. My favorite mascara for the lower lash line and for just my lashes in general. I love this mascara. I cannot get enough of it. Now here I'm lining my lips with the Gentil Blue liner. You guys know how that goes. I'm just lining my lips, and then I'm gonna be going in with my MAC lipstick, which is in the shade Brave. I forgot how much I loved this freaking lipstick, and just lipstick in general. This is a pretty shade, pretty nude shade for me. By the way, the foundation, routine, concealer, and so on will be listed down below. Yada yada yada. And here I'm going over with a lip gloss from KKW Beauty. I Woke Up Like This from the same brand, Social Eyes. These are a little bit more thinner so you can see the liner, because it makes no sense we do like a nice dramatic liner and then we cover it up with lashes. Everything else that I put on the face, I will link it down below in my description box. Yeah, including the foundation and stuff. So since this is a foundation review I'm doing, on the foundation I'm currently wearing on the face, look out for that review so you guys can know which foundation I'm rocking right now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I know it's a short one, sorry. I really wanted to get a tutorial up because I haven't done one in a while. I've been doing a lot of reviews and other videos, and I have other videos as well planned, so I wanted to just put a tutorial in there. Even though it's not as long, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a very simple, or it appears to be very simple, but it's a little challenging, especially if you're not that good with liner. I did use 2 pencil liners to get the colors that I have, and the reason why I chose these 2 specific liners is because they dry pretty quickly and they dry down almost bulletproof, so they're not going to smudge and move all over the place. But I did went over them with some shadows just to secure it, just in case. So look down below in my description box so you can know which liners was that I used. I love this color. My favorite color is actually blue, so this color is literally right up my alley, and I've wanted to do a blue ombre liner look a while now, so I'm glad that I finally got this out of the way. Hopefully I'll be able to voice over the part where I did the eyeliner, or I'll just speed it up, and all the products used will be linked down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share it if you liked it, leave your comments and feedback down below, because you know I always look out for that. And that's pretty much it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button on your way out before you go. And until my next video, I will catch you guys later. Bye guys.